Welcome to my channel once again. Let's talk about control structure. Control structure. How do you control the flow of a program? That's what I want to talk about. So I'll go back to my VS Code and open a new file. Call it control underscore structure. Control structure. Now, one of the control structure is, I call it line. I call it default. It is the original way, original program flow, which is line by line. We don't have much to discuss here. Then the second one is branch, which helps us to make decisions. And in Python, we have just one system of branching, if. Sometimes we come with else. Else it means else if. Then we have else. Then the third one is iteration or iteration, whichever one you prefer to call it. Iteration or iteration, which is the same thing as this. And in Python, we have for loop, the while loop, and the do while. So we have three types of loop. So for this video, we're going to be exploring the decision control structure and maybe the for loop. And then we treat the while loop in another video. Now, if I bring in my list of, okay, let me just create a new list, Swift list. Equal to Mango, Guava, cashew, cookstock, what other kind of fruit? Orange, yeah, orange. I love orange. Let's add one more. Which other fruits can we think about? Apple, yeah. Apple. Sometimes I think apple is overrated anyway. But it's still a good fruit. So yeah, our local fruits that I want to put here, but I don't know the exact name they are called. So let me just use it that way. So we can print out this fruit. By doing Python underscore structure viewer, and give us the whole fruit. We can slice as we have done, but we can do further. We can say can say if fruit list or we can say if mango, if cashew is in the fruit list, and you put a color. And this is one other thing that you need to learn. Python, we have said it in those two previous videos of programming for business, is that Python honors indentation. It's one of the things that you must take note. While other programming languages may use curly braces to separate concern, Python uses indentation, showing that whatever I'm going to type now is inside this if statement. So you have if cashew is in this fruit list, it should print I will introduce what we call the F string. It helps us to put a variable inside, but for now, okay, there's no need for F string. I have found so you can do something like this and say now we're controlling the flow of the program. So it means there is a flow in it. And the sweet thing about Python is that it's so simple. You see, it's sounding like normal English. If cashew in fruit list, you print out the field, to tell you that we have found it. Now we can put another thing and put the name if cashew 1 in fruit list. I found it. Else if or let's do the one of else print fruit not found. Fruit not found. So we are changing now. Number 8, line 8 was not honored because we are trying to branch, make decision. I can decide to add LE with condition LE orange. LE orange in fruit list. Print I found orange. Wow. So we have been able to make decision from what we are seeing. You couldn't find cashew 1 or found orange, and formally it said no fruit was found. So we use this to get information, to branch, to make decision. If this is this, else do this one, else give another condition, just like that, and you get your information. So this is a simple if statement that is going through the list and checking for item. We can turn it in another way and say, maybe let me make this like this. Let's try one more. The L is fruit the index 2 of fruit leaf is equal to guava. Let's print and say guava let's also check fruit is not found. Now let's know why that didn't work. Let's print fruit leaf. What is in index 2 of fruit leaf? That's what we want to look at. Cashew. So that's why it was not found. If you go to this this thing and change maybe to cashew, you will see that it will show that cashew, guava. Okay, let's change the English to statement cashew here. Cashew is here. So what we have just done is branching in Python way. Then another thing you can do that we'll continue to do for a long time, but let me just introduce it, is the looping, iteration, looping. You can do looping in this way. You say for use the for loop when you know the number of items that you want to work with. For maybe item in fruit list, or let's use the word fruit because we only have fruit. Whatever you use here doesn't really matter. It only matters for your reading purpose, but Python understands what you're trying to say. But also know that you're making it as a variable and you must use it wherever. For fruit list, for fruit in fruit list, print fruit. So you can see that here is the same with here. It must be the same. If you decide to put just F here, you should only put F here. If you decide to use fruit, you also put fruit there. And then we can also run this. Wow. And print out all the fruits that we have in that list. Guava. So we can say if fruit is equal to cashew, is equal to cashew. So I'm introducing another word that stops the flow of the loop when a condition is met. So you can see that we are introducing branching into the loop. We got to cashew and stop. So are those the only items? There's cashew, there's mango, there's guava, there's cashew, but it stopped at cashew because it asked it to stop there. So for now, we're going to stop in this video. We'll continue with the for loop. I want to dedicate a complete video to for loop so that it will be good for you to learn more about for loop in that video. Thank you very much for watching this one. Please like and share the video. Also make comments on where you think it should be improved.